Hey everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures. OMG, I cannot believe what came in the mail a couple days ago. I received a sticker on the door and the dog had not barked, and I was with a client. I came out after my session with the client, checked on my daughter, opened the front door to get some fresh air, and there was a sticker. I'm like, what is that sticker? And I looked and it was a FedEx sticker, and I'm like, I'm not expecting anything. And I had not received any notifications on FedEx was coming. So my husband's like, what did you order? And I'm sitting here going, I don't know. And on the back of the ticket, it said that I could pick this FedEx package up at Walgreens down the street after 5 p.m. So the rest of the day, I'm baffled. I continue working. Then I get an email. And in the email, it says, there is an advanced copy of your book heading to your house via FedEx, and it should be there any day. What? What? I was speechless. I was speechless, guys. Whew. I thought I was not going to see this book in print until October. And so 5 o'clock hit. I'm like, Tim, jump in the car. We got to go get this. So I grabbed the book. It was in the FedEx package. And I texted my parents. I'm like, hey, guys, it came. Jump on FaceTime. So we FaceTimed, and I opened my book in front of them. And look, it's here. It's upside down. I'm so excited. Diamond Painting Guide and Logbook, guys, in print. It is here, and it has my name on it, and it's diamond painting. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. It exists, guys. It is real. You can pick it up at RockyNook.com. Down below there's a link, or on Amazon.com or Barnes & Noble. If you do select Rocky Nook, you get a 40% off coupon for that using the code DIAMONDS. Now, you can get the ebook version right now on Kindle, iBook, Nook, whatever you use, or you can pre-order. Guaranteed you are going to love this book. Oh my goodness, it's 172 pages long. And the first part of it is absolutely fantastic, full of beautiful photos. I'm going to insert some throughout this next explanation just so you guys can see what it looks like inside. I want to be careful. I don't want to put too many photos because then it's like you're reading the book. But you can see an excerpt of it if you go to Amazon or Rocky Nook. They have little clips of it. If you do get the ebook, you get a downloadable PDF for the logbook in the back, which I'll go over with you in a minute. But I'm so excited. And this table of contents, it's going to take you through everything. You know, the beginning of diamond painting, tools of the trade. You've got your pens, your multi-placers, your wax, your drill tray, your diamonds, the canvas. You've got beyond the standard accessories. So you're leveling up your diamond painting game. Storage system, easels, light pads, cover minders, mesh rulers, rollers, diamond grinders, tweezers, tray organizers. Why do you need baby wipes and other notable accessories? You've got tips and tricks how to take you from novice to expert, canvases, how to choose canvases, help with issues, sealing a painting, storing your canvases, clear and opaque covers, bad symbols, and other tips. Then you've got resources. So I've given you diamond painting companies, accessories, fabric and craft stores, YouTube creator shout outs, and then some information about me and acknowledgements. I wanted to read you part of the acknowledgement here. It's just the bottom part because it has your name on it. Okay, so I wanted to say to my diamond painting community, when I began this journey, it was to experience a path of diamond painting first. So if you've been with me from the beginning, you know the awkward way I was holding the phone, not being able to get things in focus, drills and diamonds spilling everywhere. You guys have been there. I never thought I would develop deep, meaningful relationships. Thank you for providing the inspiration to take one late night first YouTube video and explore the endless possibilities diamond painting brings. May this book bring you as much joy as it has brought me in writing it. Until next time, be blessed, Jennifer. So you guys are in here in the acknowledgments right there, okay? Yes, like canvases, how to fix different issues. I've put photos in here, step by step. Those are my hands. Those are not like, overseas hands, people that you don't know. I talk about portfolios. I talk about different storage systems, different ways to frame, washi tape. I, talk about how do you understand these inventory sheets or why you even need them in here. I'm just, guys, this book, as I was writing it, I realized just how much information we know and how much information we don't know. One thing I love to put in here is different, as I was writing, I started thinking, wait a second, I didn't know what that meant when I first started. Diamond painting is like a second language. I don't know those names. And so I put in diamond painting logo in here, like cross country or checkerboarding. What's some other things in here that I have? I mean, it's just all through the book, different lingo that you can learn. Color blocking, confetti, things like when you're watching a live and you're like, working and lurking. I also have pro tips in here. I've sectioned them off. So maybe I do like a how-to, but then I say, but this is how I do it, or this is a mistake I've learned, or this is something to avoid. Guys, this is all of us together, coming together and what we've learned, what I've learned over the past 2 years. And I just want to encourage you, pick this up. It's more, I mean, it says logbook on here, but it's more than that. And then in the back, it has a logbook. It's front and back. It's like 50 or 60 pages of it. So it's like 120 canvases. What I'm going to do with mine, because I love print versions, is I'm going to like write in it. I'm going to put new logos in it. I'm going to put sticky notes in it of things that I've learned, things that I want to learn, different questions that I have. And I'm just going to really use this as a resource for what I can learn, but what I still need to learn, and what I want to share with you in different videos I want to share with you. So please go check this out. And with the 40% off, you could bundle it. They do have an option on Rocky Nook that you can get both the print version and the ebook. So if you want to read and get the inside scoop, you could read it now. But then if you want it in print, so you can write, highlight, underline, tag, give it to a friend. With the 40% off, it's somewhat like a buy one, get one kind of deal. And so I just encourage you. I'm very, very excited. And I hope you enjoy this as much as I enjoy you and your support and your love. And I can't wait to see what you guys think of this. If you do purchase a copy of it, please go over to Amazon or Rocky Nook and Barnes & Noble and leave a review. The more reviews that we get, the higher up people can see this amazing resource. And it's not just because I wrote it, just because I get so many questions that I know this book will answer for the new wave of people coming in from COVID. So thank you for your support. Thank you for watching this video. If you want more videos like it for unboxing, tips and tricks, post reviews, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, because I'm going to keep them coming. So until next time, as I say every time, be blessed, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.